Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about the Purple Haze Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I have been eyeing this since so long, and now I bought it in a pink shell from Nykaa. It cost me rupees 1096 and its real price is 2400. I think I really did a good job. I loved all the colors, and then I will swatch it for you guys. There is no shade name written here, so this shade, I hope you guys can see it. I think this shade I can use it for contouring also. I will swatch the matte shades first. This is a light purple shade. This is more of a light peachy shade. And then moving towards the glitter. This is my most favorite. This is the lilac shade. This is my most favorite. This is the purple shade. This is the purple shade, and then the dark purple. I think it's not doing any justice here, but the shades are really pretty. Yeah, the last one is this. These are really pretty. So yeah, without talking too much, let's just watch the look that I've created. So I will take this shade, the purple. There is no shade written in this eyeshadow palette, so I will just say it like I will take this purple shade, as you can see, and then I'll do it first the right eye. So I am gently packing it in the outer corner of this eye and then brushing it inwards. Brush it inwards nicely. Brush it gently. Blend till you get satisfied. So again I am taking and then pressing it in the outer corner of this eye and then brushing it inwards. So yeah, and then next up is I will take the pink shade from the center. This is not pink, this is not like, this is a little bit peachy, or yeah, a very light peach. I will take this color and then dust off the excess and then gently blend outwards the outer corner of this eye. A very light handed. Okay. Yeah. Blend till you get a satisfied shade of peach. So after this I will clean out a little bit in this part, in this area, so that the shimmer shade that I want to use pays off the color really well. So keeping the excess here, and then in order to not make it look harsh, I will just take the same purple shade and then gently keep it here. Yeah. Now I'll be pressing the glitter. This is the light purple shade I'm gonna use. So gently taking it in that brush and then keeping it right here. These are the pressed glitters, so you don't need glue. I have tried it before, so you don't need a glue. It stays pretty well, and the shade is bomb. I'm taking a very light amount so that I don't do any mistakes while doing the eye makeup. The brush does it really well because you need to place the glitters only where you have concealed it. So yeah, I'm done with the glitters, and then again I will take the same purple shade and then drag it from the lower eye. Blend it really well. I will use the same lilac shade which I used earlier in the eye, the glitter one, and then place it in the lower line. After that, I'll do it with the other eye. So again, with the same purple shade, I'm going to be packing the same in the outer corner of the eye. One eye does job really well, and then the other eye gives me a headache. So I will be bringing it inwards, blend it really well. Pack it really nicely, and the outer corner of the eye should be more darker. Yeah, and the inner part. Okay, so after this, I'll be again using the same shade that I used earlier, which is this light peach. Dusting off the excess and then gently blending the outer part of the purple shade. Blend it really nicely. Cleaning this area that I want to press glitter on. In order to not make it look harsh, I will be just blending it together. Blending it together, and then I will use the same lilac shade that I used, this one, in the inner side of the eye. If you are okay with your hand, use it, and then if you are okay with your brush, then use it. I'm okay with both, but it's just that the brush makes it more cleaner. Same purple shade in the lower eye. Blend it really well. Then I will use the same lilac shade which I used earlier over here. So after it's almost done, I will be using my mascara. Lower lashes. And then I will do the eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Fit Me light ledger. So I'll just use this powder to wipe off the fallouts. When you are doing this kind of eye makeup, you will definitely have fallout, so I prefer doing eye makeup first, but I don't know why I applied foundation. You just need to wipe off the fallout when it's done. I'll just contour it with this contour palette. I'm going to be mixing both of this shade. Giving a shape to my nose. I'll mix the two blush. This is from Sugar and then another is from Gold Rush Benefit. I think this is the perfect place for blush. I'm going it with a very light hand. It may look harsh in the camera, but I'm doing it very gently. This line should be clean this way. This also. The highlighter is from Wet n Wild Blossom Glow. And then right here, and then also in the nose, and then right here. I think I really want to use eyelashes today, so I'll be right back. I will just finish off the look with this Blossom Glow Wet n Wild highlighter in the inner corner of the eye. I have applied it a little bit, but then I think I really need it a little bit more. So nose, and then so yeah. If you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and comment. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye. So, oh my god, literally